Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you about the latest technological achievements that are truly mind-blowing. You'll learn about an incredibly versatile active ball joint mechanism, a screen inspired by squid skin and Japanese construction technologies that prevent disasters. Plus you'll see the world's largest crane comparable in size to the Great Pyramid of Giza. And that, just a small part of what you will discover. Have you ever seen a quadcopter? The jumping drone. Imagine a drone that doesn't just fly, it hops. Researchers from the City University of Hong Kong have developed a quadcopter with a telescopic leg inspired by sparrows. This spring-loaded leg allows the drone to jump up to 5 feet high, navigate rugged terrain, and save battery power. Perfect for search and rescue missions in challenging environments. The folding monocopter. In Singapore, scientists created a drone with just one propeller that spins its body like a leaf in the wind. This lightweight device folds down to fit in your hand, making it ultra-portable. It's designed for environmental monitoring, providing valuable data on weather and forest health. AI-powered food delivery drones. Food delivery just got faster. Companies like Robotics and Wing are using AI to create a system where drones pick up food packages via cable and deliver them within 30 minutes. Pilot projects in Los Angeles are already making this futuristic service a reality. A 360-degree spherical robot arm. Japanese scientists have revolutionized robotics with a joint mechanism that rotates 360 degrees. Controlled by spherical gears, this arm can perform ultra-precise movements, opening up possibilities in surgeries, space missions, and even dental cleaning. Cement-free 3D construction. Imagine building homes without cement. Swiss engineers have designed a 3D printing robot that uses local soil or clay to construct walls, windows, and columns. This eco-friendly approach is faster and cuts costs, making construction more sustainable. Glass Lego bricks. At the University of Massachusetts, researchers have created glass bricks that connect like Lego pieces. These transparent and strong blocks can be melted down and reused, making them ideal for eco-friendly and visually stunning architecture. World's fastest robot. A Pentagon-engineered robot has smashed speed records, clocking in at 28.3 miles per hour. Modeled after a cheetah, its hydraulic system enables lightning-fast sprints, useful for military operations, agriculture, and even herding livestock. Raptorbot. This bipedal robot runs like a raptor at 28.5 miles per hour. Made of carbon fiber with motors mimicking Achilles tendons, its dinosaur-inspired design offers balance and speed. Flying cars. A hybrid flying car prototype has successfully taken to the skies. Equipped with a detachable flying module, this car fits in a regular parking space and provides breathtaking views of scenic locations. Wheel-free hovering shopping cart. Say goodbye to stuck wheels. This quadcopter shopping cart hovers at chest height, allowing smooth movement across uneven surfaces. With a 6.5-pound carrying capacity, it's perfect for navigating busy supermarkets. Squid skin magnetic screen. Inspired by squid, this screen uses magnetic particles to display symbols and text. It requires no electronics and could revolutionize secure communication, such as barcodes or clothing designs. Human-like mechanical. Hand. A mechanical hand with human-like capabilities can grip delicate objects, form a fist, and even play the piano. This invention uses cables and springs to mimic the natural movement of human fingers. Indestructible ducted drone. This innovative drone features 3 ducted propellers for enhanced safety. Perfect for industrial site inspections, it can fly in tight spaces, hover in place, and withstand impacts. Urban vertical farms. In Compton, California, a vertical farm grows 4.5 million pounds of leafy greens annually using robotic arms and smart lighting systems. This efficient technology produces 350 times the yield of traditional methods. SK6000. The SK6000 crane is a marvel of engineering, capable of lifting 6,000 tons. With eco-friendly battery-powered operations, it will transform construction projects like offshore wind farms and nuclear plants. Ocean cleanup systems. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch Cleanup is underway using massive nets guided by AI. With 44,000 kilograms of waste already collected, the initiative aims to clean the oceans within a decade. Smart Bubble electric boats. The Smart Bubble is a wave-resistant electric water taxi in France. With retractable wings and speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour, this eco-friendly vehicle offers a smooth ride for up to 8 passengers. Golden houses. These luxury tiny homes featuring heated floors, oak panels, and solar power options can be set up in just one day. Only 79 will be built worldwide, offering stunning views and privacy. Sena Tower. Brazil is building the Sena Tower, the tallest residential building in the world. Scheduled for completion in 2025, it will feature luxury apartments, observatories, and eco-friendly certifications. NASA Voyager. One's comeback. NASA's Voyager 1 spacecraft, launched in 1977, is back in action after engineers fixed a fuel line issue. Traveling 24 billion kilometers from Earth, this historic spacecraft continues to send valuable data. Robotic strawberry harvesters. Strawberry farms are getting a boost with AI-powered robots that can pick, sort, and pack berries. These machines replace 24 workers per shift and operate 24/7. Pit Viper 360. Camera. Bounce Imaging's throwable camera provides a 360-degree view, capturing color, infrared, and thermal images. Used by military and rescue teams, it's perfect for exploring hazardous areas. Eve Air Mobility Aircraft. Unveiled at an air show, the Eve Air Mobility Aircraft offers quiet, electric-powered urban flights. Designed with safety in mind, its advanced software will revolutionize city air travel. Hyperbell Cable. Home Gym. This innovative cable system transforms dumbbells into a full-strength workout machine. Portable and cost-effective, it offers exercises like rows, curls, and tricep extensions without the need for bulky equipment. Robot Dog Soldier. China has introduced a robotic dog armed with a rifle. This military robot can scout, carry out missions, and lead assaults, showcasing the future of autonomous warfare. From robots mimicking cheetahs and raptors to drones that fly, hop, and fold, these 25 innovations are redefining our future. The possibilities are endless as we continue to push the boundaries of technology. If you found this video inspiring, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more amazing content. See you in the next video.